The history of cryptography and modern cybersecurity. From ancient ciphers to modern encryption, cryptography has always been about keeping secrets safe. Cryptographers are basically the original magicians, except instead of pulling rabbits out of hats, they make your secrets disappear into code. Early cryptography. Ancient Egyptians used hieroglyphs, and Caesar used the Caesar cipher to send secret messages. Substitution ciphers. Early cryptography often relied on substituting letters to obscure messages. The Enigma Machine. During World War II, the Germans used the Enigma Machine, which was famously cracked by Alan Turing. Modern encryption. Today, encryption uses complex algorithms to secure digital communication. Public key cryptography. Introduced in the 1970s, public key encryption allowed secure communication without sharing a private key. RSA Algorithm. The RSA algorithm became the cornerstone of modern encryption. Digital signatures. Cryptography also allows for digital signatures, ensuring the authenticity of messages. SSL, TLS Encryption. These protocols encrypt data sent over the internet, securing things like online transactions. Blockchain and cryptography. Blockchain uses cryptography to create secure, decentralized records. Quantum cryptography. The future of encryption may lie in quantum cryptography, which is nearly impossible to break. Cybersecurity threats. Cryptography is essential in defending against cyber attacks like hacking and data theft. Key management. One of the biggest challenges in cryptography is securely managing encryption keys. Government and cryptography. Governments often regulate cryptography due to its importance in national security. Cryptography has evolved from simple substitution ciphers to complex algorithms that protect modern digital communication. It is essential in securing information in today's technology-driven world. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.